And so I would like to welcome Jacquie Bird, who is presenting on Don't Defer You, a journaling presentation. So you're gonna see an interesting pattern going on as our presentations build upon each other. But Jacquie Bird is a wellness guide helping people to connect to their deeper, quieter witness self. She offers tools and tips to reduce stress and anxiety, as well as to increase mindfulness, awareness, and personal growth. Previously, she was in the performing arts industry as a dancer, singer, and actress on Broadway, TV, film, and stage, along with being a writer, choreographer, and teacher of dance. So she's also a multi-passionate creative, by the way. Over time, she began to step away to create gemstone jewelry, and along the way, she dove into learning the myriad benefits of working with gemstones and copper. As everything is connected, she began to resonate with the power and benefits of sound as she was drawn to Tibetan Singing Bowls and other polyphonic instruments, noting how important sound is to our well-being. And eventually, she chose to blend and combine all her healing experiences and knowledge into creating her wellness platform. Jacquie Bird, Spiritual Wellness. Jacquie, welcome to today's summit.
Thank you so much. It's great being here. I really appreciate that. Hello, everybody. How are y'all doing? Hi. So take a moment. Hi, y'all. Hi. So I hope you have your journals. You got your journals next to you? Oh, thank you. Thank you about my background. So do you have your journals? Let me know if you got your journal. Okay, I see a yes in there. Let me see some more yeses. If you don't have your journal, go grab one. It can be a book. It doesn't have to be all fancy, just something that has some clear pages in it and a pen that works. So grab it. Let me know. Y'all got them? You got them? Okay, I see another yes. You got them? You got them? You got them? You got them, you got them, you got them. Okay, so I am going to tell you what the usual theme song is that we sing as women doing 40,000 things in a day. When somebody calls you up, what do you tell them? Gotta keep on moving. Gotta keep on grinding. Oh yeah, gotta. Oh, what happened? What happened is that you didn't take care of you. You took care of all the balls you had up in the air. You took care of all the people that you handle, be it your children, be it your partner, be it your elderly parents, be it a job, a business, be it a needy girlfriend. All of the things that all of the characters and the players in our lives, we are taking care of their needs and not ours because we've been told it's selfish. But now check this out. You start out in life, you're starting a job and you get your first paycheck, or you're starting a business. What is the advice that you might have gotten? Pay yourself first. Pay yourself first. When you get on an airplane, the flight attendant, or you may hear a recording say, in case of an emergency, when the masks come down, place the mask over your face and nose, and then attend to a small child. Again, take care of yourself first. But for some reason or reasons, particularly as women, we've gotten the messaging, as I said earlier, that that's selfish. So we don't do it. We've got headaches. We're walking around with headaches, backaches, feet hurting, all these things going on, but we keep deferring it. We keep deferring it. Oh yeah, I need to go take care of that. I'll take care of that, but right now I'm too busy. So that's the song that we sing. I gotta keep on grinding, gotta keep on moving. But you gotta replenish the well first, because when you replenish the well, everybody in the equation benefits. You benefit because your mood may be better. Everybody around you benefits And it's a beautiful thing. So when you take your self-care, because we're getting better at that, some of us, because it's a buzzword, self-care, but we don't do it enough. So you have to make sure that you get that SCT happening, that's self-care time. And we're going to talk to our journals about that. So open your journal and open to a fresh page. Now, close your eyes and just listen to my voice with your eyes closed. See if you can relax your body. See if you can let go of any anxiety, release any questions you may have right now. Just sit in your body and feel what it feels like sitting in your body, not having to go anywhere, not having to be anything other than what you are. As you're sitting with your eyes closed, breathe in deeply. Don't worry about whether it's through the nose or the mouth. Breathe in deeply and exhale slowly. Breathe in deeply and exhale slowly, keeping your eyes closed. Breathe in deeply and exhale. And as you exhale, feel the muscles in your body relaxing and letting go. Keep listening to the sound of my voice. If you get your nails done, and that's part of your self-care, practice, I was going to say practice breathing deeply, but that's a little rough in the salon, nail salon. But I want you to think about the next time that you get your nails done, don't tick off your to-do list and think about all the things that you have to do as soon as you leave the salon. Just take that time and luxuriate in getting your nails done. Luxuriate in the fact that you took the time and somebody is painting your nails, and really be present to what that feels like. Your eyes are still closed as you're listening to me. And now, here comes the first question. I'm going to say it twice. Keep your eyes closed and just listen to the first question you will answer to yourself. The first question is, what can I do daily to practice self-care? Your eyes are still closed. You are breathing in slowly and out slowly. What can I do daily to practice self-care? Open your eyes. I'm going to repeat the question. You're going to write it at the top of the page. What can I do daily to practice self-care? And you're writing, and I'm going to say it again. What can I do daily to practice self-care? Take a moment if you need. And if you already know, begin writing your list. And at the same time, you are breathing in deeply and out deeply. As you immerse in that answer, what can I do daily to practice self-care? Not the usual, doing your hair, brushing your teeth. What can I do? It could be as simple as making sure I take 5 minutes every hour to breathe in deeply and to breathe out deeply. As you are writing, you are breathing. And when you finish, just put your hand or give me something in the chat that you're done. And when you are done, you will close your eyes and just breathe, focusing on the breath as you answer your question to yourself. What can I do daily to practice self-care? When you are done, just sit with the eyes closed, taking in the breath and exhaling slowly. Taking in the breath and exhaling slowly. Emptying your mind, seeing if you can just empty your mind as you sit quietly in yourself and with yourself. Give you a couple more minutes to answer that question. Breathing in slowly and out as you finish sitting quietly, taking this time to nourish yourself as you take in the breath and you let the breath out. If you are still writing, go ahead and put your pen down. You can always come back to this later. Sit with your eyes closed, breathing in deeply and out deeply. As I recite the next question, I will say it twice. As you sit quietly and listen, and then I will give you an opportunity to write the question on a fresh sheet of paper. As you're breathing in, you're listening to me. The next question is, how can I be an even better friend to myself? Again, the question is, how can I be an even better friend to myself? Open your eyes, turn to a new sheet of paper. At the top of that page, you will write in, how can I be an even better friend to myself? How can I be an even better friend to myself? As you are writing the answers to this question, concentrate on the breath. Slow in and even slower out. Breathing in slowly as you answer this question. How can I be an even better friend to myself? Breathing in and breathing out. It could be something like going to bed earlier. It could be turning off my screen or stepping away from the screens more often. It could be something like limiting my diet of bad news. It could be not staying on the phone longer than you want to be on the phone with a friend that always has a problem. How can you be an even better friend to yourself? And same thing, when you are done, just let me know in the chat and sit with your eyes closed and focus on your breathing. How can I be an even better friend to myself. All the while breathing. This is great. Y'all already know. See, we already have the answers. Sometimes we doubt ourselves. A lot of times we doubt ourselves. And that's also deferring you when you don't trust your gut and you think somebody else's opinion is more important than yours. As we are waiting, you've returned to your breathing, or you've continued your breathing, focusing on the sound of your breath, of in and out. All the while, as the breath is going out, it's longer than your in breath. Breathing in and out. Give it a couple more minutes. For those of you that are still working on that answer or those answers. How can I be an even better friend to myself? Maybe it's trusting more. Maybe it's not talking so bad about yourself whenever something doesn't go the way you want it to. Maybe being less judgmental of yourself. How can I be an even better friend? If you are still working, finish a sentence and stop. As with the other questions, you can always come back and write later. So we're sitting with our eyes closed, we're breathing in deeply and breathing out deeply. And you are listening to the next question. I will say it twice. With your eyes closed, the next question for yourself is, what dreams, desires, and or intentions am I putting off? What dreams, desires, intentions am I putting off? What am I delaying? Open your eyes, turn to a clean page, and at the top of that page, you will write, what dreams, desires, intentions am I putting off? What dreams, desires, intentions am I putting off? Oh, we got some quick people that know already. Okay, but take your time. And like the other questions, breathe. While you're answering these questions, focus on the breathing so that it is one with your action of thinking. Breathing deeply in and out. If you are quick on the spot and you have already answered those questions because it's been burning in your head, just sit quietly, get back into the breathing. Breathing is the most basic self-care thing you can do for yourself. Conscious breathing, not breathing to survive. Conscious breathing. Okay, this is good. Some of us are already walking with these dreams. The next step is to begin to put into play the actions to manifest those dreams and desires. If you're still working, give you a couple of moments. If you're not working, sit with your eyes closed, breathing in deeply, and exhaling slowly. Breathing in deeply And exhaling slowly. Your out breath is always longer than your in breath. Breathing in deeply and breathing out slowly. If you're still writing, get to the end of your sentence and then put your pen down. Ready for the next question. Eyes closed and listening. I will say it twice and just listen and take it in. What do I love to do? What do I love to do? You are going to create your do what I love list. Open your eyes, turn to the next page. At the top of that page, what do I love to do? As you are writing and telling yourself what you already know, you are also thinking, what am I going to do about it? So it's not just, what do I love to do? What do I plan to do about it? What do I love to do? What do I plan to do about it? What do I plan to do about it? What do I plan to do about it? What do I love to do? Okay, let me know when you're finished. Return back to that quiet place of sitting and absorbing and taking in what you've told yourself about yourself that needs your attention. Breathing in deeply and exhaling. Okay. Just return to the silence and the quiet and the stillness and the connection to your body. Breathing in deeply and out as you write or as you sit in attention. Breathing in deeply and out. What do I love to do? Some of y'all got some long lists. All right now. What do I love to do? What do I plan to do about it? Okay, y'all are starting to come in. If you're finishing up, go ahead and get to the end of your sentence. Return to that quiet place of being seated and breathing. We're going to close these questions with one more thing. You're quietly listening as I am telling you what that last thing is going to be. My life mission statement is. My life mission statement is. Open your eyes, turn to a clean page. My life mission statement is. Rewrite a business statement, mission statement. Rewrite a company mission statement. We don't always think about what is the essence of my life? What do I want to create? What is the essence of what I want? Is it more peace? Is it more ease? Is it more joy? Is it more abundance? The essence? What is my life mission statement? And this, you may have to continue after this session. What is my life mission statement? As you are writing, there is no rush. This can be continued later. Focus on breathing in deeply and out deeper. Breathing in deeply and out deeper. Give you one moment to wrap it up. My life mission statement. So I'm going to bring you back, and I'm going to share my screen with you for some takeaways. So, self-care. Say no when you mean no. If the person doesn't like it, it's not your problem. Saying yes when you mean no becomes your problem. Say yes when you mean yes, even when you're scared. Don't allow fear to be your guide that only blocks your blessings and your growth. Step away from the screen. Social media timeouts are key. Limit your diet of bad news. Breathe. Deep breaths, then make them even deeper. Become a glass half full person more times than not. Even better, see the glass as overflowing with your highest good. Your perspective is everything. Put yourself at the top of your to-do list. The time will be time well spent. Look at yourself, at your life as a very valuable investment and not cryptocurrency, because that just bombed. Very valuable investment. Don't defer you. Put yourself on your Google Calendar every day. Have it repeat. Put yourself in the Google Calendar, just like you put an appointment. Make an appointment with yourself every day. At this point, I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to take 5 deep breaths every day. That is my time. I thank you so much for sitting with me.
Thank you so much. I love that advice. Schedule time for yourself. And that was a wonderful exercise. Thank you for guiding us through that. Thank you. We have time for one, or if you have a burning question about the process, the technique, what we just went through, here's your time to ask that burning question to Jacquie Bird.
I'm reading some of these comments in the chat. They're great.
Now, I do agree with Claudia. I'm looking at the chat. That voice and that meditation. I'm ready for my tea and my nap. Thank you. And if there is a burning question, that's a great time. And then we will have our panelists all together in gallery view once we're finished with the individual session, so that we can ask all kinds of questions, not just about the process that we're learning. Thank you. I know everyone's relaxed. Wonderful comments. Thank you so much for using the chat as a group. And thank you so much, Jacquie Bird, for guiding us through that meditation, that journaling exercise that was combined with meditation in essence, to really get us to think a little bit more about ourselves and stop deferring ourselves.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Thank you.